Hello everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to go live on Facebook for beginners guide. So first, you just have to launch your Facebook application and make sure that this one is the latest version. And above your profile or create story, you can see there what's on your mind. All you have to do is to tap that one. Now here you have some choices: photo, video, tag people, filling, activity, check-in. We have here live video. So what you're going to do is simply tap this live video here. So this is what it looks like. Now you can choose your privacy here if you want to set this to only me, friends, or public. Also same with your story. So as you can see, I'm going to set this to public. Okay, and then for my story, you can also set this one to only me, friends, and public. Okay, so let me set this to public. Now, if you go to this part right here, you can see here flash off, mute mic, rotate. We have stickers, effects, and hands off. So if you tap the stickers, then you can add any of the stickers here. So there are tons of stickers that you can choose or add. Effects, so you can add also some effects here once you go on live. Also, we have here in hands off and mute video. You can also add text if you want. Then below you can see here add. If you want to invite guests to join on video, you just have to tap the name here or search the name. And then this one, if you want to create a new poll on your live video. And then we have here the three lines. We have here add to your post, check in, bring some friends, and so on. So once done, all you have to do is to click live. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.